Mathematicians, in this video we're going to be measuring in inches and in feet. And our goal is to measure with inches and feet and to choose the best tool to measure with. Let's get started. Why are we learning this? So that we can compare measurements and choose the best unit or the best tool to measure something with. Remember that the length of a quarter is about 1 inch, about this big, and that a ruler shows 12 inches, and that a ruler is about the size of a foot. It's about this big. Now, Kaylee wants to measure the height of her little brother. Will she need more inches or more feet? Let's find out. For this part, just watch me, and the next part you'll be able to do with me. So first we're going to measure him with inches. We're going to use a yardstick to measure with, and it looks like he is about 34 inches tall. Now let's see how many feet he is tall. We're going to use a couple of rulers to see how tall he is. And it looks like he is about 3 feet tall. He's a little bit less than 3 feet tall. So it looks like she's going to need more inches than feet. She needs fewer feet to measure him. Now we're going to measure the height of a chair together. We're just going to measure to this part where the yellow line is. We're going to measure the seat. How tall is the seat? So you're going to need a yardstick, and we're going to line it up just with the seat. And it looks like it's about 16 inches. Now, I'm going to get a couple of rulers, and you can do this as well. You don't have to do the ruler part because you should be able to see on your yardstick the number of feet, but I like to use the rulers in the picture as a visual. So now I line up the rulers, and it looks like the chair seat is about 1.5 feet, a little less than 1.5 feet tall. So here we needed fewer feet, and we needed more inches to measure the height of the chair seat. Now you're ready to try one on your own. Use your yardstick and measure to the very top of the chair. How many inches and how many feet tall is it? Do you think you're going to need to use more inches or more feet? Let's find out. All right, let's see if you got it correct. We're going to line up our yardstick, and it looks like the top of the chair is about 27 inches. That's the same as about 2 feet. We used more inches and fewer feet to measure the height of the whole chair. Good job, mathematicians. Way to go. Now you can measure with inches and feet.